Hi, this is Lynn. I'm one of the designers and co-founder of Poale Design Build. Welcome to our very first video. After months of contemplating if we will be having a video or a channel, here it is. We have decided to share to you some of our design tricks, renovation projects. So if in the future you're interested with those stuff like renovation, interior fit out, DIY, custom furniture, then subscribe to our channel. Nalimutan ko pala sabihin ko ano i-share ko today. So, ang i-share ko today is about kitchen, design, and renovation tricks that works. So, tricks that works meaning, ito yung mga nagawa na naming design hacks sa mga previous designs namin na nag-work talaga. So, if you're a designer or maybe a client or someone na magre-renovate pa lang ng kitchen or may start na renovation, then this video is for you. So, keep watching. Kitchen design tricks and renovation that really works. In every renovation, there's a design process. Diyan naman talaga nag-start lahat. So, yung design process, there are two parts of design process. The first part is yung look and feel. So, dito papasok yung mga mood boards na ginagawa natin. So, you should have a look and feel muna before proceeding to the 3D rendering agad. So, yung look and feel, ano yung peg mo with your renovation, with the kitchen, ano yung mga pegs mo dun. You want it modern ba? You want it industrial looking? Ano pa ba yung ibang mga pegs, di ba? Another part of look and feel is yung vision mo. So, what's your real vision with the kitchen na i-renovate mo? So, you should stick to your vision until the end. If you really like a red kitchen, then you should stick to it until the end, not cutting it halfway na pachi-pachi, may red dito, tapos biglang nag-iba yung on the other side. So you should commit to your vision kasi pag gaganon, pag pinutol mo na siya or pagka hindi ka nag-commit to your design vision talaga, dun yung nagiging chapso yung dating ng design. Another part of design process is the planning and execution. If you have the part 1, no, yung look and feel, so you have to be true to your vision. You have to be true to your mood board. So yung mood board mo, that's your main recipe, and you have to be true to your vision until the end. You have to commit to your vision. And part 2 of the design process is the planning and execution. What's included with the planning and execution? First, yung budget. So, you have to be realistic with the budget. You have to ask the client, ano ba talaga yung feasible budget na meron sila to spend with the renovation. Tapos, you should know where to save and where to splurge. So, based on our experience, ano ba usually yung mga items or elements in the kitchen that the clients usually splurge, no? So, based on our experience, they splurge on the countertop. So, they want the countertop na matibay, mas maganda, not the ordinary tiles. They also splurge in the cabinetries. So, yung mga ganong stuff. And then, next naman, in the planning and execution, you should know the timing and the time frame, of course, the material. So, you can discuss to your clients yung real time frame kung kailan talaga matatapos yung renovation nila. So, dapat all of it clear prior to start of the renovation. Let's go with the main content of this video. So, yung mga design tricks that really works for us. Usually, we have done this in our renovation and design projects sa mga kitchen. So, ano yung design trick number 1? Yung design trick number 1 is the use of color. So, based on our experience, maraming magagaling na architect and designers na hirap sa colors. Even me, honestly, colors talaga yung pinakamahirap to choose from. So, paano natin gamitin yung colors? Unang-una, of course, you have to be true to your mood board and to your vision, diba? Kung meron ka ng vision in the design process, it's much easier for you na parang ito yung magiging roadmap mo na with the colors. So, ano ba yung nagagawa ng colors? Actually, marami talaga nagagawa yung colors eh. Simple colors. You can use the colors to hide the bad and accentuate the good sa mga renovation projects natin. Another rule of thumb is a 3-color palette. So, ito talaga yung pinaka-tricks. You should use a 3-color palette and not exceed it. Kasi, pag naging 4 na yan, naging 5 na yan, na colors ang i-apply mo sa isang area, parang sobrang busy na tignan. So, stick with a 3-color palette. Design tricks number 2. Make it bigger or make it grand. How do you make this space grand or how do you make the space bigger? So, syempre kitchen area lang naman yan, no? You're saying, so paano magiging grand yun? So, syempre when you're renovating, you want it to have a fresh look, a wow to the client, diba? So, ako, I'm very particular with the height. So, yung mga height, like, don't go below the door height. Tapos yung mga cabinetries mo, it should go up. Hindi yung may space pa sa taas, like the samples. If you could see this cabinet prior to renovation, yung top niya may space pa. So this is a common issue, lalo na sa mga condos na nakikita natin na mga built-in cabinets na usually they do lang yung ganyang height. So, ito yung after renovation. So, what you could do, you could extend the cabinetries until the top to fill yung empty space sa taas. So, diba, instantly, it will make your space grander. Kasi nga parang na-fill yung space sa taas, tapos parang lumaki yung cabinet. Parang mas okay siya kaysa yung merong space sa taas. Sometimes, kasi ang disadvantage din nun is nagiging storage lang siya ng mga kung ano-ano like boxes. When napuno na yung kitchen mo, yung mga clutter napupunta lang din sa taas and more of naglalagyan pa yan ng alikabok. So, this is another example of an old kitchen. So, same issue, yung cabinets niya, it's not until the top of the ceiling. So, yun, kung may budget naman, you should take note to your designers or contractor na it should be pull up to the ceiling kasi yun nga, it will instantly make your space bigger and grander. Unlike yung existing, di ba parang yung space between the countertop and the upper top hang cabinet, parang ang sikip niya tignan. Pero when the cabinetries are full height talaga, yung lalo especially yung top hang, parang nagiging grander or bigger yung space. So, this is the after look na nung na-fill yung space sa top, 'di ba, naging mas bigger tignan yung space aside from, syempre, napalitan yung paint from old wood stain na ginawang all white. Syempre, nakatulong talaga yung pag-pull up ng cabinetries up to the ceiling to make the space wider and grander looking. Another thing to make the space grander, you should apply the same concept na full height sa mga backsplash. Yun nga, kailangan kung empty naman yung wall, i-full height na natin yung backsplash like the one in the photo rather than cutting it until the shelf or shelves. 'Di ba, mas grander or wow looking kung up to the top yung mga backsplashes natin. Design tricks number 3. Yung number 3, don't be boring or mix it up. Kasi maraming nag-iisip ngayon or maraming clients na iniisip nila pag partner or pag matching mas better, no? Pero it shouldn't be that way. Dapat you should mix the texture, you should mix colors in the kitchen para meron naman siyang contrast. So, yung contrast, you should put high contrast on the items na gusto mong i-accentuate, and then lower contrast on the items na ayaw mo naman i-accentuate, like the samples. This sample kitchen photo, ano ba yung in-accentuate niya dito? So, ano yung high contrast here na color? Yung high contrast here is yung black na bottom cabinet niya and yung full height na cabinet niya on the right side na black din. So, yun yung higher contrast here. So, meaning, the designer wants to accentuate yung mga cabinets niya on the bottom. Tapos, if you can see, meron lang din siyang 3-color palette. So, yung black and then white and the wooden color palette na ginamit niya on the top hang cabinet niya. So, yung flooring niya white, so it goes well with the countertop. So, ayun. So, medyo nasunod niya yung 3-color palette here. Another sample of mixing up is yung pagmix ng metal elements in the kitchen. So, like this sample, nagmix siya ng gold sa faucet niya and then gold din yung light niya, yung mga lighting features niya gold. Pero yung mga appliances niya is silver. So, yung gold mix well with silver pa din. So, wag kayong matakot to mix up with metals kasi gold and stainless steel goes well together. This sample of kitchen naman, nakita na ko dito kasi the designer mixes up yung texture, especially the backsplash. So, naglagay siya ng texture dyan and if you can see yung hardwares niya, like yung drawer handle, ginawa niyang gold. So, if may budget naman, so better look for a unique door handle or mga hardwares na that would really complement the overall look of the kitchen. Kasi yung mga simple hardwares and kitchen fixtures, naka-add up talaga siya with the overall look and feel nung kitchen mo. And then yun, this design follows a 3-color palette din. So, meron siyang, yung bottom cabinet niya, nagput ng paint colors, and then yung top hang naman, white and then wooden accent na shelves, which complemented yung flooring naman. So, nagmatch siya dun. Okay, that pretty much sums up my tricks about kitchen design and renovation. Please bear with my voice and the way I talk. This is the first time, so medyo kabado pa. But we'll try to really improve on the next video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you've learned something with this video. Hit the like and subscribe button below. Thank you.